Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Oh, I am so sorry guys. We have been MIA for quite some time now, but people just threw it away. We have been planning a trip. If you guys have been following me on Instagram, then y'all know or should have known that we just recently celebrate our 10th year wedding anniversary, and we're planning a trip to go somewhere. It's a secret. And because of that, we have been a little bit MIA, but hopefully we'll be back in full force, full effect as of this video. So right now, we already took our COVID test yesterday. We're waiting on the result to come back, and I started to pack the suitcase, but it's not yet finished. So I have the suitcase to be packed. I have some errands to run before this vacation, but it's to celebrate our 10th year anniversary. I'm so happy. I can't believe I'm with my best friend for over a decade. We have been together for over a decade. We have been married for 10 full years. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I can't wait to reach our destination, to continue to celebrate and to just have a wonderful time. Anyway, guys, stick around and see what happens in this video. Hope you guys remember to please give us a thumbs up, click on that notification bell, leave us a comment, and share this video. Tell a friend to tell a friend to come and watch the Moy and Matt French Jamaican family. The M&M gang, be a part of the M&M gang. Follow us on Instagram at 1876 Moy, and I'm also on TikTok at moy&matt 24.
Et voilà. Alors, hop, d'après ce que j'ai compris, vous avez la chance de partir en voyage.
Oui.
Oui. En voyage. Asymptomatique, vous n'avez pas aucun signe clinique à me dire.
Non, j'avais rien du tout.
Asymptomatique. Et vous êtes vacciné, c'est ça?
Oui, 3 doses.
Vacciné, 3 doses. Ça, c'est fait.
Non,
La première fois?
non, j'ai déjà fait
oui.
4 fois ou 5
fois. Oui, j'allais dire là.
Oui, je travaille.
Oui, ça devient.
Je travaille à l'école, à chaque fois il faut faire les tests,
Oui, suivant le boulot qu'on a, effectivement, ouais.
C'est plutôt dans les écoles que les CM2 ils attrapent plus le Covid.
C'est ça.
Les petits, ouais.
Les CP, c'est vrai.
Ben, ils ont été un peu malades avant, je crois. Il y a un mois, c'était que je faisais que les CP et tout. Et maintenant, c'est un peu plus grand. Et là, en ce moment, j'ai les bébés, ils ont la grippe.
Ah.
Mais des bébés, hein. Bon, désolée pour ce grand moment de plaisir. Ça vous emballe pas, hein.
Dis-moi, allez là-bas, s'il te plaît. Je vais regarder tout parce que j'ai déjà peur un peu.
Elle a un peu peur.
Comme ça va?
Oui, impeccable.
C'est celui-là.
Oui, celui-là. Comme, hop, comptez jusqu'à 3. Voilà, c'est fini.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Ah, c'est pour voyager.
Oh là là. C'est bon?
C'est bon?
Merci.
C'est ça.
Bravo. Ciao. Yeah, fuck. Mimi, à tout à l'heure, chérie. Oh, I just took a COVID test. I think it's the worst one I ever do in my entire life. I feel it in the back of my head. It hurts so bad. 3 o'clock in the morning, and we are now on our way going to the airport. See you guys when we get to the airport. airport empty like one, nobody in there.
Attends, il est 2h33.
That's all in there. We're finally at the airport. We have just checked in. Now it's time to sit down and wait until it's our time to board the plane. Jamoy, are you happy?
Yeah.
Jamoy, look. Jamoy.
Yeah.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah. Really.
Jamoy always finds somebody to play with. Okay. Come to the airport and find people to play with so I'm not get bored. I'm coming home, coming home. Well, the world will be home. All the way.
Il fait froid.
Ouh, je mets mon guide.
Third stage. We're gonna enter the plane to reach to our destination. We follow the night plane right now.
Pour les bébés, s'il vous plaît. C'est très fort pour les mains.
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Alors, nous on va.
Oui.
Ok, d'accord.
Merci.
Au 23. Allez, vas-y. 23.
We're first on reaching our plane.
T'arrêtes à 23 et toute la ligne elle est par là.
23. 23. 23B to F. 23B to F.
Allez, tiens,
The back of the plane.
là. 22, 23. Là. Ouais.
B to F.
Ah ouais, bah, du coup, là.
Il y a deux là et deux et les autres là-bas.
Tiens, attends, moi je vais me mettre.
Jamoy. So we get off the plane just now. And Jamoy in Miami, I tell them, who want them to buy? Amaya, I'm selling you to somebody. She get bored. I think this is our flight coming now.